Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about explanation text. Are you ready? So, what is explanation text? Explanation text is a text tells or explains how and why something in the world happened. So, in the explanation text, we can discuss about a social phenomena or natural phenomena. Okay, and what is the purpose of explanation text? The purpose is to tell why and how of the forming of the phenomena and to explain the process involved in the evolution of natural and social phenomena or how something works. And then what is the general structures of the explanation text? First, we have general statement. What is general statement? General statement is introduction. It is about the phenomenon issue which is to be explained. It is to introduce the topic, and the process being explained may be highlighted in a little or in the first sentence or stage. Second of the structure is a sequence explanation of the stage. It is consists of sequence explanation of why or how something occurs, or a series of chronological steps which explain how or why something happens. Let's see the examples. Look at the following example. See, there are two paragraphs in this text. The text is about earthquakes. For the first paragraph, an earthquake is a shaking of the ground caused by the sudden breaking and movement of large sections or tectonic plates of the Earth's rocky outermost crust. It is include to general statement. For the second paragraph, it is a sequence explanation of stage because it is tell how and why earthquake is happen. Let's move to the language feature of explanation text. The language features of explanation text. The first, we have to focus on generic or non-human participants or things. So we only focus on things and non-human participants. And the second, we use abstract nouns. For example, heat, earthquake, tsunami, something like that. It's called abstract nouns. Third, use simple present tense. Do you still remember how do you write a sentence using simple present tense? So, simple present tense, you have to write a subject and the verb one, minimum. Next, we have to use temporal and casual conjunctions like and, then, or next. Okay? And then we use passive voice. Okay, how can we write passive voice? I will give you an example. This is the active voice. The decay of organic matter is formed natural gas. Okay, the purple sentence here, it is the subject, and the red one is form, is the verb, and natural gas of the blue one is the object. So, when we would like to change this sentence into passive voice, we have to change the object become the subject, and the verb we have to change become a past participle. For example, okay, the natural gas is formed by the decay of organic matter. Okay, so you can see the difference between active voice and passive voice. Passive voice, you have to put the object of the sentence to the subject, become the first sentence, and the verb you have to change, become the past participle, and the past participle from form is formed. Okay, don't forget using by. Nah, in the text of explanation, there are a lot of passive voice sentence. So you have to use passive voice sentence in explanation text. Next, we have to use action verbs to explain cause. For example, because of earthquake, the house is broken. Broken is action verbs. Next, we have to use noun phrase. Do you know noun phrase? For example, noun phrase is a combine between noun and noun or adjective and noun. For example, I will give you a sentence. A beautiful woman. A beautiful woman is a noun phrase. Or we can use a newspaper. News is noun and paper is noun, so we can combine two noun. Newspaper become a noun phrase. Or you can add from adjective plus noun. And then we have to use complex sentence. What is complex sentence? Complex sentence is there is an independent sentence and dependent sentence. We can use that one. And then the last, we use technical terms or word chains about the subject. Yeah, we have to use that words. We have to focus on the subject. Okay, that's all our material today. Thank you for your attention. If you have any comments or you want to ask something that you still don't know or don't understand, please write the comment below or you can send me DM. That's all for today. See you on the next video. Goodbye.